Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Digimon Storytime Stranger on PC. First, open the preferred browser on your PC. Now, use the search bar to search for Digimon Storytime Stranger. It will show you various websites along with the images. Then, visit the first website by clicking on it, which will be the official Steam website. Here, you can watch the videos to know more about it. Scroll down and hit the download button to download it. You can also buy it by adding it to the cart. It will also show you the price here. Digimon Storytime Stranger is available in 3 editions. The standard edition is for $69.99. The deluxe edition is for $99.99. The ultimate edition is for $119.99. Each of these offers unique content and bonuses for fans looking to dive deeper into the Digimon adventure. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.